I'm bored.
Well, that was entertaining. Okay, I'm bored again.
Hey guys. I have an idea. Maybe we can bring Grella back to life. How would that work? Well, the only two people who could bring Grella back to life is Pea Shooter, which he's around here somewhere. Yep. See? And Stutter, which Stutter got lost in space.
Did anybody say Mighty Eagle sound?
No.
It is. I'm bored. Say I'm cold. I need more underpants. I'm cold. I need more underpants.
Then fly away and go get more.
Okay. My arm's getting cold. This arm is getting cold.
Come on, just go up there. Go back into your nest. Abby, make it good.
Down to the left. Bye-bye, guys. Down to the
Okay, so Pea Shooter, can you bring Grella back to life? Yep. Hocus pocus. It worked.
Hello, guys. It's so good to be alive again. Yay!
Wow! You've been dead for a very long time now.
Angrybirds! Yay!
Oh my god, can you stop, please?
Oopsies.
I'm starting to get
Sorry.
squished. Ow. Oh, and also, Grella, we have a problem. Green Bird's beak broke. Do you know how to sew?
Yeah, of course I do.
Okay. Dun 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 dun. Uh-oh. I don't... It's rumbling under me. Dun, dun. Oh no, Green Bird's gone. Uh-oh. God, half the pigs are gone. Oh God, we have to go. Shut up. Hey, look. There's some pigs. I see some pigs. Come on, let's go.
He has a clue in his mouth.
Hey, look, a clue. Why'd you barf out a clue?
I don't know. Something.
That's not a clue.
There's something. Yeah, there is. Yeah, it is. One of the corners points which way he went.
Oh.
And the only way, the tree and the pig.
Ow.
Guys, look. Guys, look.
Okay, come on. Just plow through the pigs. Plow through the pigs.
There it is. I see it.
There's Green Bird. Oh, thank you. Oh.
Hey, I have another clue in my mouth, guys.
That's not a clue.
Tie up. It means to tie up.
Roller skate. I got a roller skate power up. Oh, darn it, I ran out of the power up.
I'll check it through the
Bah. Ow.
I will fly there. I will fly there.
Come on, Green Bird.
You the pig.
Oh, Green Bird's disappeared. Guys, Green Bird's disappeared.
Mr. Ducky Too.
Guys, Green Bird's disappeared.
Die.
Guys, Green Bird's disappeared.
Guys, I can help you. Guys, Green Bird disappeared.
This isn't good. Guys, this Green Bird.
Help. I have another clue.
Jeez.
No! It's in my mouth. It's really deep in my mouth. Something furry's guarding it. And big. Something furry and big is guarding it.
Why would something furry and big?
Wait, I know who to call. Oh, the baby boo.
Oh, the baby boo.
It's my sidekick, little ducky pin.
That's your sidekick, Eel the mailman, or Grella?
Grella.
I'm
Grella.
Then why Eel the mailman?
Grella here.
You're not Grella.
It's Stella.
No, that's Dahlia. Even.
Grella, Grella, Grella. It's her name, Grella.
Guys, I spotted Green Bird.
This is Pinky.
Pick up. Wait, I didn't pick up anything. What the heck? There's Green Bird. Pick up. Wait, I didn't pick up anything. What the heck? Pick up. Wait, I didn't pick up anything. What the heck? Pick up. Wait, I didn't pick up anything. What the heck? There's Green Bird. Okay. Okay. Hi, my plan is working perfectly. I'm just gonna wait right here. No one knows that I did something very horrible. Excuse me. I like licking things like this weird chicken bone I found. I'm a puppy! Sorry, little puppy. We're missing. Oh,
I have another clue.
You do? Green Birds are here. Never mind. So what's your clue? Is Green Bird right behind me? Nope.
No.
Is Green Bird right behind me? Nope.
She will be somewhere far away. Not so far away, but kind of far away.
Okay. Hi. Hey guys. Are you the actual Green Bird? Yes. It's not like I'm a hallucination or any. Of course. Hey guys, I just fell asleep for a second. Okay, well, that's episode 1. Here's a hint of episode 2. See that paper Angrybird up there? Redbird. Wink, 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 wink. So yeah, thanks for watching the first episode of season 8. Gorella's alive. There's the mighty eagle who does nothing. He hasn't done anything yet. He'll play a big part in this season though.
Look, he's up there. There he is. He's sleeping.
Hi. He sleeps with his eyes open. Everyone over here sleeps with their eyes open. Like this. I look creepy when I sleep. All of us do. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. Peace out.
Wait!
Thanks for 26 subscribers.
Wait, I need to tell you guys something. Here's the next clue. If you could think of it, leave it down in the comments below of what this clue is going to be.
It's going to be about a charger and an iPod and a camera farting at each other.
No. It's a mystery game.
Now, a delightful word with evil snupper muffin. Grr, that stupid stutter stole my sword. I can't do anything without my sword. I can't even chop down trees. Oh wait, let me check in here if my sword is in here. Oh, yep, found it. Sorry, stutter. In space. Thanks for watching.
Shoes! Adios, amigos!
Stinky shoes!